Want to know how people are building wealth using AI in 2025? These tools are not just cool, they're making people rich from home, with no coding and no experience. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or side hustler, this video is for you. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and let's dive into the top AI tools changing lives. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a thriving reality that's transforming the way people live, work, and most importantly, make money. In 2025, we're witnessing a massive shift in the financial landscape as AI tools empower individuals, creators, and businesses to automate tasks, analyze trends, and create value at scale. If used correctly, these tools can generate serious income, even for those without a tech background. Let's explore the AI tools that are making people rich in 2025 and how you can tap into their wealth-building power. 1. ChatGPT for business automation and content creation. ChatGPT is being used not just for chatting or writing, but as a full-fledged business automation assistant. Entrepreneurs are using ChatGPT to write emails, sales pages, blog posts, product descriptions, and even code for websites or tools. People are offering services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork using ChatGPT to complete projects quickly and at scale. This massively cuts down on time and boosts productivity, allowing creators and solopreneurs to handle multiple clients, build online businesses, and generate passive income streams. 2. Midjourney and DALL-E for AI-generated art and merch. AI art tools like Midjourney and DALL-E 3 are helping creators design stunning visuals, characters, and graphics with just a few text prompts. These visuals are then turned into t-shirts, prints, mugs, and digital products for sale on Etsy, Redbubble, or Shopify. AI-generated content saves time and gives users with no artistic skills the ability to launch creative businesses. People are even minting NFTs using AI-generated art. 3. Pictory and Synthesia for automated video creation. Video creation has long been a time-consuming and costly process, but now tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and Runway allow users to create stunning, professional-looking videos with AI-generated avatars, voices, and visual editing. Content creators are building YouTube automation channels, e-learning courses, explainer videos, and promotional ads in record time. With the explosion of video content demand, this is turning into a six-figure income stream for many. 4. Jasper AI for high-volume copywriting. Jasper AI specializes in high-quality copywriting for businesses. Digital marketers, bloggers, and ad agencies use it to produce everything from SEO blog posts to landing pages and paid ads. People who master Jasper are selling these services to businesses or building affiliate marketing websites that rank on Google and earn through commissions. Jasper can easily help scale content marketing strategies that bring in steady traffic and long-term revenue. 5. Notion AI and ClickUp AI for productivity consulting. Notion and ClickUp are powerful productivity tools, and their AI integrations are helping freelancers become efficiency consultants. These tools help automate workflows, schedule posts, manage content calendars, and streamline entire businesses. Freelancers are offering Notion Workspace Design, or AI-powered project management, services to overwhelmed business owners who want efficiency. This niche is growing fast and becoming lucrative for early adopters. 6. Copy.ai and Writesonic for email and funnel automation. Sales funnels and email marketing are key to online business success. Tools like Copy.ai and Writesonic allow users to generate engaging email sequences, subject lines, social media captions, and CTAs in minutes. Coaches, agencies, and digital product sellers are using these tools to convert leads into customers. Some are offering this as a high-ticket service, while others use it internally to grow their own businesses. 7. Descript and Podcastle for podcast editing and monetization. Podcasts are booming, and with tools like Descript and Podcastle, creators can now easily edit audio, transcribe episodes, and repurpose content. These tools use AI to remove filler words, correct audio levels, and even clone voices. Podcasting is being monetized through sponsorships, affiliate links, and product mentions. With AI, a solo creator can now run a professional-grade podcast operation and grow a loyal audience with minimal technical skills. 8. AI trading bots for stock and crypto trading. While risky, AI-powered bots like Trade Ideas, TrendSpider, and CryptoHopper are making waves in the finance world. These tools analyze charts, run backtests, and automatically execute trades based on algorithms. Some investors are seeing strong returns using AI-assisted strategies that reduce emotional decision-making. However, success depends on careful monitoring and strategy development, not blind reliance. Still, those who learn to master these tools are turning trading into a profitable side hustle or even full-time income source. 9. AI tools for dropshipping and e-commerce research. AI tools like Sell the Trend, Zik Analytics, and Koala Inspector are helping e-commerce sellers identify winning products, analyze competitors, and optimize product listings. Shopify store owners use these tools to find trending items and write product descriptions that convert. In a crowded e-commerce space, data-driven decisions are key, and AI provides that edge. Successful sellers are generating 5 to 6-figure monthly income by combining product research, AI automation, and smart marketing. 10. Personal AI assistants for client work and freelancing. Tools like Reclaim.ai, Motion, and AI-powered CRMs are now automating scheduling, client communication, proposal generation, and even invoicing. Freelancers who used to spend hours on admin work are now focusing purely on deliverables. This efficiency allows them to scale their operations, take on more clients, and increase income without burning out. The rise of AI personal assistants is removing bottlenecks and unlocking time, which ultimately means more money. In 2025, we're no longer asking if AI can make people rich. The question is how fast you can adapt. These tools are not reserved for tech wizards or Fortune 500 companies. They're accessible, affordable, and incredibly powerful in the hands of a solopreneur, freelancer, or creator. The people who are getting rich today are the ones who combine AI tools with human creativity, smart strategy, and consistent action. Whether you're building a brand, automating a business, or launching a side hustle, now is the time to ride the AI wave and create wealth in the process. These AI tools are helping ordinary people earn extra income, build online businesses, and even quit their 9-to-5s. If you're serious about leveraging AI in 2025, now's the time to act. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insider tools, tips, and digital goldmines. The future is AI. Don't wait to get rich.